This 2018 Forest River Forester 2431S is a Class B Plus RV. It is located in Fife, Washington, 98424 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV Fife. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class B Plus features rear bath, U-shaped dinette. This 2018 Forest River Forester 2431S is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.